Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I'm super excited because we have a full body HIIT workout, all right? What that means is we have some high intensity, high paced exercises. We're gonna give it our all. We're gonna burn a lot of calories, work on our muscles, and have fun, and then rest in between. So let's get into it because you're gonna love it. All right, so we are gonna be doing 3 sets. The first one is more explanation, demonstration. We do the entire thing together, but I talk you through it more, proper form, all that good stuff. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, no talking, more doing, and we just go straight through the routine, all right? So starting with our first exercise, we are gonna be doing jumping jacks, but do not run away. I will give you modifications and different variations, all right? So our regular jumping jack would be we're all together and then we jump out with our legs and our arms follow and come up. And then we go all the way back in, all right? So straight, like a pencil, like I, and then out, like an X. All right, those are our jumping jacks. All right, but if you don't wanna jump or you can't jump or you don't feel like jumping, you can go ahead and do a step, all right? So out and then in together, out and then in together. So you can do a step or you can even do a butt kick. So instead of stepping, you arms come up and you butt kick. Butt kick. All right, you don't have to actually kick your butt, you just reach for it, all right? So different variations there for you. 30 seconds, like I said, it's high-paced, high interval, so go ahead, give it your all. Big breath, think about those calories burning, and let's go, very good. Don't forget to breathe, super important. Very good, deliver oxygen to your muscles. Nice, strong posture, your chest is up, all right? Your core is engaged, your shoulders are pushed away from your ears. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and come in, go ahead, shake out those legs. Big breath, and next exercise, we have squats, okay? So we're gonna have our feet hip width apart, and we pretend like we're sitting in an invisible chair, all right? So sit, come up, sit, come up, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath. Our body's nice and warmed up, heartbeat is going, and let's go. All right, so here we want to remember proper posture again. So we don't want to arch, we want to avoid arching. We also don't want to round over, okay? So nice straight back when you sit down. Very good. And you don't have to go all the way down. If you can't go all the way down, then do a half squat, which would be going down maybe like 6 inches, all right? You don't have to go all the way down. Start somewhere, all right? And then you'll get stronger and more flexible over time. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and come up, very good. Big breath, and moving on to our high knees, all right? So I like to have my hands out in front of me, it gives me a goal to reach towards, and high knees, all right? And you're bringing your knees up to you, all right? You're not coming down to your knees. If you need to lower your hands a little bit, that's fine too, all right? But just make sure you keep a nice straight posture. Alrighty, so in starting position, hands out, and let's go. High knees, high paced, keep up the energy, you got this. If you even wanna challenge yourself even more and take it a step further, go ahead and go fast. All right, you can do it, I believe in you. I'm just not gonna do it so I can talk to you, or else you guys aren't gonna understand a thing I say in this microphone. All right, come on, you guys got this. Chest up, long, elegant neck, high knees, fast paced, very good. And 3, 2, 1, very good, come down. Big breath, moving on. Last but not least, we have sumo oblique crunches. So we have a wide stance, Our toes are pointed out a little bit, all right? We're gonna go into a squat, so a sumo squat, all right? Hands behind our head, and we're gonna go side to side. Sumo oblique crunches, all right? Straight spine here. Want to avoid arching, rounding over again. Straight spine, engaged core. 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. Very good. Breathing. Going as far over as you can, all right? We don't want just, little like this. Go ahead. Over and all the way over again. That's what's really gonna work your muscles. If this is too much for you, go ahead and you can straighten your legs. Do a little bit standing and then go back down. Do a little bit down, whatever works for you. And 3, 2, 1, and come up. Woo! Very good. Set number 1, you did it, you got through it. We're gonna take a second, grab some water, catch our breath, and then we're gonna go for set number 2. Alrighty, set number 2 of our full body HIIT workout. I hope you're loving it. I hope you're ready for set number 2. You got this. We're doing our jumping jacks, or you can do stepping jacks or butt kick jacks, whatever you want. We have our squats, we have our high knees, and then we have our sumo oblique crunches, all right? Big breath, ready for our jumping jacks, 30 seconds, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, and very good. Big breath, ready for our squats, and let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Big breath. Ready for high knees. 30 seconds. Let's go. You can switch it up if you want. Go fast, go slow. You have options here. And 3, 2, 1. Very good, big breath. Sumo position. And sumo crunches, sumo oblique crunches, 30 seconds. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, up, woo, and celebrate. Yes, we did 2 awesome sets. I'm sweating, my heartbeat is up, I'm feeling good. I'm ready for another set, but first, take a second, grab some water, breathe, stretch, and then we're gonna crush set number 3 together. Alrighty guys, set number 3, you got this. Push through, breathe, Focus on your body, focus on your movements. You're gonna do great. Big breath, starting with our jumping, step, or butt jacks. Big breath, 30 seconds, and let's go. Three, two, one, and very good. Big breath. Ready for our squats. And let's go. Three, two, one. Very good. Shake it out. Big breath. Ready for high knees. 30 seconds. Let's go. You can switch it up if you want. Go fast, go slow. You have options here. Three, two, one. Very good, big breath. Sumo position. And sumo crunches, sumo oblique crunches, 30 seconds. Let's go. Three, two, one, up. Woo! All right, that was it. Give yourself one of these and one of these, like Coach Greg likes to say. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you're ready for another set, good on you. Go ahead, rewind, get to it. If not, check out the rest of our channel. We have so many amazing videos to share with you. And then that's when you're gonna wanna subscribe, click the bell, because that lets you know when we post so you don't miss out, because I really hope to see you on the next one, all right?